Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious New Orleans beignets. First, combine warm water, yeast, and a pinch of sugar, letting it bloom for 5 minutes. Then, mix in milk, eggs, sugar, salt, and flour until a soft dough forms. Knead for about 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover, and let it rise in a warm spot for at least 2 hours or until it is doubled in size. Once your dough has risen beautifully, gently punch it down and turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Roll the dough evenly to a thickness of about 1/4 inch. Using a sharp knife or a pastry wheel, cut the dough into 2-inch squares. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few squares into the hot oil, frying for about 30 seconds per side, until they puff up and turn a lovely golden brown. After frying, transfer your golden beignets to a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. This step is crucial for a non-greasy finish. While they are still warm, generously dust them with a thick layer of powdered sugar. You can use a sifter for an even coating. The warmth of the beignets helps the sugar adhere perfectly. Serve these delightful treats immediately with a cup of coffee or hot chocolate for an authentic New Orleans experience. For the best beignets, always use fresh yeast and maintain a consistent oil temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If your oil is too cool, the beignets will be greasy, too hot, and they'll burn before cooking through. While beignets are best enjoyed fresh, you can store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 day. Reheat them briefly in a warm oven to refresh their texture. Also, check the description below for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.